Hello, this is Srinivas Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, working in Sri Chaitanya College. My experience is 18 years. Past 14 years, I am working with Sri Chaitanya organization, and I want to give some tips regarding to MSET chemistry examination. Total marks you used to get is 40, and our chemistry is divided into three parts: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. And if you plan accordingly, very easy to score good marks, more than 35 in chemistry. And the main planning to get good marks in chemistry, I try to give information regarding to it. Regarding to physical chemistry, if you go for following topics, suppose if you take solutions, you get 1 or 2 bits from this. Mainly focus on problems based on Raoult's law and ideal non-ideal solution. If you go for solid state, try to focus on void type of problems, Bragg's equation related problems, etc. If you go for electrochemistry, try to focus on Nernst equation related problems, electrolysis related problems. And if you go for kinetics, try to focus on problems related to first order reaction, molecularity type respectively. And if you go for inorganic chemistry, better the way you read the textbook, NCERT textbook properly, the way you get your marks. Main problem with the students is how to plan inorganic chemistry. A student who plan inorganic chemistry properly, definitely he get marks more than 35 out of 40 in chemistry. If you go for first year inorganic chemistry, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A groups, first plan melting points, boiling points, electropositivity, electronegativity, standard reduction potential values respectively regarding 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A groups respectively. And in 3A group, try to work on borax, structure of diborane, preparation properties respectively. If you go for 4A, work on structure of diamond, graphite, fullerene, silicones respectively. If you go for second year inorganic chemistry, the most important in the second year inorganic chemistry is D block complexes. Here you get from these two topics you get more than 3 bits in the examination. In D block, try to focus on standard reduction potential values, melting point, atomization related concepts, and magnetic properties respectively. Regarding to complexes, work on Werner's theory, work on VB theory, crystal field theory respectively, which are there in the NCERT textbook. Try to read NCERT textbook as thoroughly as possible regarding inorganic chemistry. And if you go for organic chemistry, plan accordingly. In organic chemistry, my view is general organic chemistry one part, hydrocarbons in one part, and second year halo compounds, carboxylic acids, etc. other part. In general organic chemistry, try to work on stabilities of carbocations, carbanions, carbon free radicals, and next important point is typed homolytic fission, heterolytic type of fission, type of questions given in the textbook. And in hydrocarbons, work more on alkenes, alkynes respectively. In alkenes, how ozonolysis reaction with Bayer's reagent, reaction with halogens. In case of benzene, orientation effects, try to work more on the orientation effects. In case of second year organic chemistry, mainly work on SN1, SN2, elimination reaction, types of concepts. Regarding to other topics, work on acidic strength of phenols, acidic strength of carboxylic acids, basic nature of amines more thoroughly. And other point what I want to say is, in these short span of time, try to work more on memory type of topics like biomolecules. Very easy to score in biomolecules. Work on structure of glucose, work on sucrose as well as maltose, lactose, etc. In case of amino acids, try to read different essential, non-essential amino acids, etc. And if you go for chemistry in everyday life, try to remember the examples of antacids, and then antihistamines, etc. type. And in case of polymers, try to work on different polymers, say copolymers and synthetic polymers, semi-synthetic polymers type, and make that a list so that during the final days of the examination, the preparation becomes easy. You are more confident regarding to the examination. Finally, don't worry about the memory part. Plan accordingly. Try to plan every day, the coming few days. Try to plan. Mainly focus on inorganic and organic chemistry. And then memory topic type, please write in a paper. Try to read every day so that you will not have any fear at the final stage of the examination. And best of luck to all the students for the coming MCET examination in both the Telugu states respectively. Thank you all.